This is a review of the Dremel SawMax. It came as part of the Dremel Ultimate Combo Kit, along with the Multi-Max and the Dremel 3000. As you can see, I already have the blade off of the SawMax, and I'm going to put it back on right now. This is the most complicated of the Dremel devices, which is not saying too much. It's a lot like a circular saw, if you've ever used a circular saw. There's just a couple pieces. You put the nut on first. I'm going to use one of the 3 blades that comes with it, which is the wood and plastic blade. And I'm just going to do a quick cut on a piece of wood so you can see what it does. I'm not going to try to do any in-depth things during this review. You put the second outer piece of the nut on, and then you take the bolt and you connect all 3 of them together. Very minor complaint. The 2 Allen wrenches that come with the set for the Multi-Max and the SawMax are actually different sizes. It would just be convenient, obviously, if they were the same size. Not a particularly big deal. Actually, I can't get that on. I will just thread that on right now. And I will, as you can see, there's a lock, just like there is on a regular circular saw. You press that down, and you turn your Allen wrench. Okay, and you can be turning the opposite direction of what you might think you would be, which is why they put a little sticker there that tells you which direction to spin it. Now I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. Always keep your tools unplugged when you're changing blades as a safety precaution. Now I'm going to show you the triggering device on the SawMax. Again, this is the most complicated of the 3 tools. It's still very simple. It really compares fairly well to an angle grinder. As you can see, they're somewhat similar devices, much smaller. My angle grinder is at least twice the weight of the SawMax. The SawMax, again, is more of a circular saw, and it doesn't have the direct out-facing blade that the angle grinder has, but it's still very versatile. You can adjust the height to the desired height. Here, on this side shows the gauge. This is as low as it could possibly cut, exposing more and more to the blade to get deeper cuts. Right now, let's set it fairly low. I'm just going to nick this piece of redwood that I have on the table right here. Here's the triggering device. It's 2 parts. There's a switch and a trigger, as you can see. There it goes. So you can't depress the trigger unless you have this down as well. You can do that with your pinky finger, for example, or however you're comfortable. And let's do a cut right now. Very simple, fast cut. As you can see, I didn't do a particularly straight job, but I wasn't aiming for much there. As you can see, it was fast and easy. I wouldn't try to use a circular saw like this on my workbench, certainly. You'd want to be set up well with proper equipment. With this, it's a fast, easy cut, fairly safe. Your hand's pretty well protected. It doesn't have the retracting guard that a circular saw does have. But it is fairly well protected from your hand, and your hand has to be way back here on the trigger. Keep your other hand far away from where you're cutting, and you'll be perfectly safe. Anyway, I'm pretty impressed with the tool. It is very easy to change the blades out, like I showed you. It's just the one bolt, and then the 2 nuts sort of holding the blade in place. It's nice, quick, easy tool to use, quick, easy tool to learn. And combined with the Multi-Max and the 3000 makes for a very versatile set. The Ultimate Combo is a great deal, and I've been really impressed with all 3 of the tools. Anyway, that's all for now. Thank you.